What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm about to take you on a service call. James is already here doing a stoppage, possibly a mainline stoppage. It's a recall nonetheless, but customer's got a very high gas bill, double that it normally is, and asked us to come out and take a look and see what's going on. Let's see what we uncover. You ready? Let's go. All right. We got an A.O. Smith. An A.O. Smith water heater here, 40 gallon. I love those rewards, by the way. It's 4 years old this year. Beautiful. Now, we got a humming sound coming from somewhere here. Our boiler is hot. That zone just came on, see now it's off. I wonder if this boiler is set to maintain. Got a big gas valve here for 130,000 BTUs, huh? Wow. P205. 3/4 inch gas valve. But this humming sound. That relay. That relay is actively calling. All right. That relay is calling. It's blazing hot to the touch. There's that wire here. That's your TT. I want to look inside there and see what's doing. All right, there's TT right here. You have a boiler that's maintaining temperature. You wonder why the gas bill's high. I removed the thermostat wire from here. Something real suspect with this thing. Just make sure relief valve's correct. 30 psi. Definitely seen better days. Let's go investigate thermostats. All right, well, I gave the homeowner a call about the Aquastat relay. He was like, oh, interesting. It was like, these people told us about it when they were here in September. I'm like, well, Well, now you know it's a confirmed problem, so I would recommend that you replace it. And he's like, well, I'll keep an eye on it. I'm like, okay, you do that. There we go. So I got our magnet on the water heater, valve tags on the water heater supply, gas for the water heater, gas for the hydronic boiler, boiler water supply. We got a sticker right there as well. And draft is good. And it's a little suspect right there. It looks slightly back pitched. Maybe because this is not sitting right. Yeah, this is definitely not sitting right. Let's fix that. You know, they come with screws. You know that? There we go. Oh, look at that. Now it looks a world of difference better. Amazing. Just took a few seconds. But A.O. Smith does include screws in a little baggie with their water heater, so you can screw this down so it doesn't pop out. But why people don't do it, I don't know. But if you need service, scan that QR code with your phone and your camera app. Schedule a service call. Thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button.